Welcome back to our channel. Nowadays, printers are must at home and offices. For home, inkjet printers have always been considered ideal when compared to cartridge. I have brought you this Epson ecotank L3260 printer, which is an all-in-one printer. You can print, copy or scan on this printer. Apart from that, you can also print documents, project, graphics or illustrations at a high quality and low cost. Coming to the pros of this printer, this is a Wi-Fi printer. You can connect it with your smartphone or tablet and give wireless printing order. It also got USB 2.0 connectivity, so you can print saved documents in the pen drive also. Coming to the inks, the blank ink cost is around 404 rupees and the color inks cost around 600. Each bottle can give you approximately 4500 prints. These ink bottles last much longer than cartridges, eliminating the need to frequently refill the ink tanks. The best part is you can monitor the ink level in the printer. The rear tray has a capacity of holding 100 A4 sheets. And the front tray can hold 30 A4 sheets at once. You can print any document or school project with fine quality. You can also print studio quality photographs. This comes with a 1-year warranty or warranty for 30,000 prints. This is the control panel with digital display. You can adjust anything from here like copy, scan. So there are navigation buttons, power buttons, back buttons. It comes with a heat-free technology, so it consumes less power when compared to the laser printers. So it is economic as well as environmental friendly. We need to install this Epson Smart Panel app, which guides you clearly each and every step. It helps in installation of inks and Wi-Fi connectivity also. Initialization of inks after refilling the tanks. It will take around 11 minutes. So during this process, you should not unplug the power or open the scanner of the printer. And when you are connected to the Wi-Fi, you are get ready to go. Here is the procedure how to refill the inks. It got spill-proof technology. You can clearly see the inks filling in the tanks. When it reaches the upper mark, the ink filling is automatically stopped. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy printing!